Hello, hello. Good evening sa lahat at good morning sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Andito na naman, kakantahan ko kayo dahil ito yung first song ko daw. Hindi ko talaga kanta to, but I will offer this song to everyone na nag-watch sa akin. Here you go. No more champagne, and the fireworks are true. Where we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. It's the end of the party, and the morning seems so gray, so unlike yesterday. That's the time for us to say Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have a vision now and then of a world where every neighbor is a friend. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have our hopes, our will to try. If we don't, we might as well lay down and die. You and I. Sometimes I see how the brave new worlds arise, and I see how it thrives in the ashes of our lives. Oh yes, man is a fool, and he thinks he'll be okay, dragging on, faith of clay, never knowing he's astray, still going. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have a vision now and then of a world where every neighbor is a friend. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have our hopes, our will to try. If we don't, we might as well lay down and die. You and Seems to me now that the dreams we had before are ideally nothing more than graffiti on the floor. It's the end of a decade. In another 10 years' time, who can say what we'll find? What lies waiting down the line? In the end, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have a vision now and then of a world where every neighbor is a friend. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have our hopes, our will to try. If we don't, we might as well lay down and die. You and I. Oh my goodness, gihanga ko kay di man jud ko kabaluan ni ako lang ning gikanta kay ako lang ning ay alay na ko sa inyong lahat dahil today is New Year, first day of the year 2025. So, hoping
Your
nagustuhan
life
nyo.
is pretty smart. Bye-bye.
Hoping nagustuhan nyo ang kanta ko. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, at lagay nyo na rin kung saan kayo nakatira. Para alam ko kung saan dumating. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful 2025 New Year. Bye.